be everything it was, and this will be.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you, right there, you, what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came by way of Ferengi, and this is Indomie mi Instan Soto Medan. Yes, it's a soup Indomie variety. It's a soup. The reason I'm stressing that is that I made a boo-boo, an error. And that's unhelpful. So, let's make it right. Here's the noodle. 3 minutes. Liquid oil. I can just do this. Can I just do this? This is an oil base. Seasoning. Seasoned oil. And then we got this. And this I want to talk about. I got 2.5 minutes, it looks like. And I'm hoping you'll be able to see the little guy on this because I am in search of data. You know, information. Somebody's got to have at least a slight clue about what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. So, on the sachets of Indomie for years, there's been a question shrouded in a mystery, and this little guy, I don't even know if you'll be able to pick this up on the camera. See that? Oh, you kind of can. You see the little guy? There's the pepper. It's really not gonna work out so well here. But anyways, there's a little guy on the sachet, and he doesn't have a name, as far as I know, that I've ever found. He's just a little dude. And it almost looks like he's carrying like a shotgun with slices of pizza coming out of it. But I don't think that's the case. But if you know anything about the character that's on the chili sachets, the cabe sachets, for this Indonesian variety Indomie, help me out. I want to know more. There's got to be a backstory to this little character. He kind of looks like a sailor. I just don't know. I'm giving this a stir, gentle stir. That's what I do. Don't you do it too? Yeah. I think I'm going to return. I'm going to the groceries. No, the post office today, I think. Guess we'll see. All right, let's sample this. Indomie Soto Medan. I'm guessing it's going to be a lime chicken kind of thing. There's our broth. Boiling hot. Man, it looks just all sorts of angry outside. It's windy, cloudy. It was sunny earlier. Light, effervescent, enjoyable. The noodle. Mellow, a little bit of heat, not a lot. Savory. pizza soup. Not too crazy, not too boring. Come on. We'll try that. Noodle. It shows egg on it, so I'm going to slap an egg inside. Right. Whoa, this is a really, really soft egg. Whoa. Yeah, I had a feeling you were just going to do the flip. That worked out better than expected. It was not extremely crazy. Here we go. Not very extravagant. Not extra cuckoo. There's our unhealthy amount of spring onion. Whoa, there. Some crushed red pepper just right there. I mean, that's that. I am not going any further than this. Getting this sucker done, then I'm gonna sit down, turn on my personal relaxation light, and do the Picard. Wow, what a mess. I've made a mess today. Do it. Well, thanks again to Ferengi for shooting this all the way over from Australia. And yeah, this is a decent Indonesian variety. If you want to try it, go find it and eat it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Days are speed.